She shaking?
Yeah.
Baby,
Lucy.
come here. Come here. Come to Mama. Come here.
She's out of it. Look at her eyes.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here.
Careful, she might try and bite you.
Lucy. Lucy. Come here, baby. Lucy. Come here. Lucy. Come here. Lucy. Come to Mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Lucy. Lucy. Lucy.
Is she shaking? She kind of looked like she was.
Kind of. Lucy.
Here, let her go.
She's shaking. Baby. What we do? Lucy.
Trying to make her face mean.
Lucy, come here.
Let her go.
Harry's dog was doing it too. I want her to come see you real fast. Are you close? Oh, never mind. Lucy's doing it again. I wanted you to see it. Yeah, I didn't know how close you. Yeah. She's still. Okay, bye. Nothing. They didn't. Yeah. She can't move any of her legs right now.
Oh, careful, baby.
This one's worse than the last one.
Don't touch her.
Alright. Alright. Alright, bye. What is it, baby? I mean, look at her leg. It's twisting her body. It's okay. It's okay. I'm scared.
Here, let her go, babe.
It's okay. I know you're scared. Baby, she's having a hard time breathing now.
Take her collar off. Let her go, babe.
I don't want her to be scared.
Let her go.
Lucy. Lucy. It's okay. Look at me. Lucy. I can't touch this.
That leg getting you again, Lucy? Come on. You spazzing out? Come on, work it out. Work it out. Let's go. Work it out. Can you work it out? Can you stand up? Come on, work it out. Rub it out, Lucy.